The moment is now. Are you ready?
Good day, everyone. My name is Haryadi. Let's play armies together. In this game, I must have at least 2 capture options before making any capture. So, example, if my marines sitting here and the opponent have marines and vice president here, my marines have 2 capture options. And I can make a move to capture the opponent's marines or capture the opponent's vice president. But if the opponent only have marines here and the vice president is further away from the marines, my marines have only 1 capture option. In this kind of situation, I cannot make any capture. Okay, that is the purpose of this game. Now I will arrange all of my pieces into the setup zone. This is army, this is diplomat, and the helicopter, jet, marines, vice president, mover, also the media. I'm going to place my diplomat here. Now I will start the game. I will rearrange again my soldier. Okay, now I will start the game. The computer accepts my setup and it is the first move for the computer. The opponent moves its submarine into the coastal water using the mover. I will do the same, but I will push my coastal guard using my mover to the coastal water. The opponent moves its marines forward to the coastal water. If this marine come into my territory and capture my submarine, I cannot capture it using my marines. That is troublesome. So, I will move my marines here. In case the marines is moving forward, I have 2 capture options. The opponent moves its army forward. I will try to exchange my marines with the opponent's marine, because the most dangerous one in this game is marine. If I place my marines here, my marines have 2 options and can capture the opponent's marines. It is as expected. Now I can capture the submarine, the aircraft carrier, or the marine. Of course, I must capture the marines because this one the only one that can move into my territory and take out all of my pieces. The opponent moves its marine into the Polder Valley. I'm going to move my coastal guard to try to take out the opponent's marines here. If the marines taking out my coast guard, I can take out the marines using my marines. To remind you again, in this game I must have at least 2 capture options before making any capture. This is what most troublesome because I cannot take out this marine even though I want. In this situation, I want to move my coast guard backward. I'm sure this marine won't move forward again because the opponent will think my defense is strong. I'm going to move my marines here, so my marines have a lot of options and the opponent cannot take out my marines because my marines at the coastal water. The opponent Marines might try to take out my Coast Guard. I am going to move my diplomat to the expanse area, so my diplomat can lure the opponent president out of the defense area. Because the opponent moved the child here, my Marines have really lot of options, and I think the best option is taking out the opponent vice president here, because the army, the helicopter, the jet cannot take out my Marines here. I can take out opponent's army, but the president will take out my Marines, or the helicopter take out my Marines. That is not a good option. I of course can take out the Coast Guard, but the president can take me out. If I try to take out the president, the helicopter will take out my Marines. So that is not a good option too. And here, the aircraft carrier is defended by the Marines. My best option is only to take out the opponent vice president. The Marines is taking out my aircraft carrier. I don't need to be afraid now. I can win this game. The option for my Marines is very much. I can take out the reserve, I can take out the jet, helicopter, the president, army, but the best option is to take out the reserve, because no one can take out my Marine. The opponent Marine will try to take out my president if it wants, but I think it won't do that. And because I think the game already finished with me taking out the opponent's flag. To remind you again, in this game I must have at least 2 capture options before making any capture. Thank you for watching my video, and have a nice day.
This is why you